Rise and shine, heroes, your world needs you. It's day 7 of our 30-day test of Earl Nightingale's 2 steps to create a miracle in your life. Each and every day we are taking out our goal card and we are reading our goal. Make sure you read it at least 3 times a day, morning, noon, and night. And make sure that you're reading it as often as possible in addition to that. We want that goal to be projected on the screen of your mind as often as possible. And never, ever forget step 2. For the next 30 days, do more than is expected of you. Work hard for your goal. Remember that every time that you focus on your dream, focus on your goal, you think about it, picture it as if it's already been done, because when you do that, you're literally physically reshaping your brain to make yourself into the person that can accomplish that goal. And every time you take a step, working hard for it, your work is taking you closer and closer to that goal. Right around the day 7 mark, you'll probably start facing some obstacles, the main one being laziness, complacency. You'll start to feel like, oh, I don't need to read that goal card. I have it memorized. I can remember it. Just memorizing it and repeating it silently to yourself is not as effective as doing the act. The ritual of taking out the goal card, reading that goal out loud to yourself, is part of what makes it so effective. We know for sure that out loud self-talk makes a major difference to you. So reading that goal out loud to yourself and having the ritual of reading that goal card, it matters. Don't start being lazy now. Don't start letting things slide or slip now. Each and every day, stick to the steps the way Earl Nightingale laid them out. Bob Proctor made an entire lifelong career out of teaching people how to do this very thing. Stick with it day in and day out over the next 30 days, and let's create that miracle in your life. All right, heroes, rise and shine. Your world needs you. Like and subscribe. Hit that notifications bell, because every single day we're going to have a new video for you. We'll see you in the next video.